Minsan ang hirap kumalma, no? Kasi kahit yung katawan mo pagod na, yung utak mo gising na gising pa. Overthinking is exhausting. Lahat ng what if pinapatakbo ng utak mo. What if mag-fail ako? What if hindi ako enough? What if walang mangyari sa buhay ko? Pero ito ang tanong, kailan pa naging productive ang sobra-sobrang pag-iisip? Sabi sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 to 7, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your heart and your mind in Christ Jesus." God doesn't just offer answers, He offers peace. And peace is greater than clarity. Hindi mo kailangang solusyonan lahat. Hindi mo trabaho ang kontrolin ang future mo. Ang trabaho mo, magtiwala. Sabihin mo to, Lord, I surrender my overthinking. Guard my heart, guard my mind. Be at peace, knowing God is still in control.